Hello, hey guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your guest Mamela Sagri Channel, a faith leader, also motor reader. So ngayong hapon na ito, tingnan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a random gabay for the sign of Pisces. Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces? Ang ating mga gilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hihirap ko siyang bell for more videos at update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig na gumabaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages? Advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Pisces. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mga gilap? So tutuklasin at bubulabugin natin ano kaganapan sa buhay mo, no? Ang ating mga hagilap. Angel spirit, please give me information po. Okay, this is something that he wants, a past communication, a past moment. Dito papasok ang mga panibagong proyekto, plano, pangarap. There's something in messages, phone call, and email coming in for you. There's a lot of transactions. No, there's something in trouble, adventure, excitement. No, there's something guys with the Ten of Pentacles with a long-term success, long-term success, long-term financial security. No, there's something long-term relationship. No, there's something the lovers, no? Talagang related about sa love life. Ibig sabihin talaga dito na maaaring may taong magmamahal sa'yo for a longest time. Ay, totoo ba? Let's see what is additional messages. So, there's a strength and be confident. So, kailangan lakas mo ang loob mo, maging matapang ka. No, kailangan palaban ka. Huwag ka matatakot. Huwag ka mangangamba. No, alisin mo yung kaduwagan sa sarili mo. There's something that you're for collaboration. No? Kailangan mo makipag-communicate ng maayos at wasto. No, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Kailangan maging matapang kang harapin yung mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Let's see what is additional messages. And because there's something that you was, there's a waiting for a ship. No, some of you guys na may hinihintay ka resulta, naghihintay ka ng document papers, maaring dumating na, maaring makuha mo na. Let's see what is additional messages. With the Eight of Wands. So there's something that I request with an offer. Some of you guys na may offer dito na magdadala sa inyo ng trouble. No? Trouble abroad. No, there's something an offer, proposal, romantic proposal. No, there's something an offer like a promotion. What is the Ten of Pentacles? Represent with the Ace of Wands. No, magkakaroon ka dito ng plano. No, bagong plano, bagong pangarap. No, there's something in new beginning na magkakaroon ka talaga ng long term. No? There's the lover service with a Four of Swords. Makinig ka sa intuition ng gut feeling mo. No, marami kang iniisip ngayon, especially with your love life. No? Ibig sabihin dito, makinig sa intuition ng gut feeling mo na hindi ka ililigaw ng iyong nararamdaman. Na may instinct ka dito kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyari sa inyo sa pag-ibig mo, sa relasyon mo. There's a chart card for something in action and movement, no? Magkakaroon ng changes dito, no? Magkakaroon ka na ng something motivations, no? Something confident. No, kakapalan mo na yung mukha mo dito. Hindi ka na matatakot at hindi ka na mangangamba. What is the Three of Pentacles? Represent with the Judgment. No, this is a wake-up call for you. No, parang ginigisi ka sa katotohanan na you need to pay attention. No, there's something collaboration. What is the Three of Wands? The Three of Wands represent with the Nine of Wands. No, magtiyaga ka lang sa ginagawa mo. No, magpatuloy ka lang sa ginagawa mo. No, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo dito. No, hintay mo yung tamang pagkakataon at tamang panahon na para makuha mo itong opportunities na to. Let's see what is an Eight of Wands and of course the Knight of Cups. There is an Empress card for revert. No, ibabalik ulit yung sigla, no, yung ganda ng yung sitwasyon, no, maaaring kumbaga magkaroon ka ng bago simula, no, there's something, a blessing coming in for you, there's an offer for a blessing, no, kumbaga sinasabi na kailangan mo mahalin at alagaan yung sarili mo. And of course, there's something the four of us just re-evaluate or analyze. No, lagi mo pakakatandaan, pag-iisipan mabubuti yung bawat kilos at galaw mo. No, lalo-lalo yung mga plano mo. No, huwag ka magpapagulo, huwag ka magpapadistract. No, kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung purpose mo. Ano ba talaga yung target and intention mo? What is the Lovers Circle, the Four of Swords? Represent with a white naman. So there's something white divinity with something a divine guidance. Na maaaring ginagabay ako, there's something soul contract. Na maaaring konektado kayo with angel spirit, no, with the God. No, maaaring kumbaga pinagsama kayo, pinagbuklod kayo ng tadhana. Dahil kumbaga maaaring konektado kayo with the soul. No, there's something twin flame, soulmate connections, divine guided. No, let's see what is additional messages. Divine connections. The Strength card is the Chariot card. Represent with the Knight of Swords. Some of you guys nagkakaroon ng anxiety levels nights. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Isa yan sa magiging balakid kaya hindi ka maging matagumpay. No? Kailangan mo ng kumilos sa matumalis dyan sa takot at pangamba mo. Nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights dahil tatakot ka na sumubok. No? Kailangan ka pala mo yung mukha mo dito, ha? Let's see, there's a Three of Pentacles and of course the Judgment. There's a Kingman. You're feeling stuck. You're feeling abandonment. No? Parang feeling mo hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. So, kailangan mo nang pakawalan yung takot at pangamba mo dyan. No? Parang kailangan mong, kumbaga, hugutan ng lakas ng loob, no? In every transaction, in every collaboration, no? Lalo na sa mga pakikipag-socialize. Now, what is the Three of Wands? Or is the Nine of Wands? There's a Five of Pentacles. Some of you guys, no? Kumbaga, nakakaranas kayo financial crisis ngayon. No? Some of you guys, naghihintay ng alis. No? Gusto mo ng mga ibang bansa, gusto mo na makaalis. No? Magtiyaga ka lang. Makakalis ka din. No, kailangan mo maghintay. No, giginawa rin yung pakiramdam mo. Let's see what is the outcome. There's the Moon card for truth reveal. Lahat ng mga bagay na to, maaaring ibahagi sa iyo lahat ng mga pangarap mo, maaaring matupad mo na. There's the Two of Swords. There's something decision. No, nakapag-decision ka na. No, nakapag-isip ka na, kumbaga na pag-isip-isip mo na. No, na itong plano na to, ayun na yun, no? Hindi na mababago pa. What is the Lovers Circle, the Four of Swords, the white naman? Represent guys with the Ten of Wands, something a burden. No, some of you guys, no, there is something in the karmic relationship. No, puno-puno kayo ng obligasyon, puno-puno kayo ng mga responsibilidad, especially, no, maraming mga tutol. No, maraming mga itsosera, no, ambisyosang mga kamag-anakan, both sides, na maaaring tumututol sa inyong relasyon. Some of you guys, no, maaaring, kumbaga meron ditong same sex, no, na magka-relasyon. Some of you guys, no, maaaring maraming mapanghusga sa mundong ginagalawan mo, no? What is additional messages? And because there is something the Page of Cups, makinig sa intuition and gut feeling mo. Hindi kayo nililigaw niyan, tama ang hinala mo. No, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleeplessness, dahil some of you guys, no, meron talagang gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. No, may nagpapalipad na hangin. Kaya ka nag-overthink, paranoid, balisa. There's a Seven of Swords, guys, no? There's a sneakiness, cheating lie on you. Some of you guys, nakakausap mo pa to. No, yung taong tumitirada sa'yo ay nakakausap mo pa. Mag-iingat ka. No? Dahil itong tao to, traitor, tuso. No? There's a Three of Cups. Sabi ko na nga ba, kamag-anak to. Kamag-anak, kaibigan. Malapit na kamag-anak at kaibigan mo pa. Or maaaring kumare mo pa nga to. Or kumpare mo. Now, so let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. For finances and career, represent what? There's a high for lesson learned. Matuto ka na from the lessons. Na, alam mo na to, you've done this before. Napagdaanan mo na to. Now, there's a Queen of Wands. Lakas mo loob mo maging matapang ka how to manage and control your money. And this is something the world girl. Some of you makakaalis ka talaga. Makakapag-ibang bansa ka talaga. Naunahin mo mag-ipon. Kung may mga utang ka, magbayad ka muna ng utang mo. No, para nang sa ganun, makaluwag-luwag ka at guminawa ang pakiramdam mo. There's a Five of Wands. No? Umiwas ka sa mga bagay na nagbibigay komplikasyon. Lalo-lalo na yung mga taong traidor. There's a Justice card. Huwag ka mag-alala, may karma. There's something karma hit their ass. And there's an Eight of Pentacles, just focus sa ginagawa mo, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. Mag-focus ka dyan. Huwag ka magpapalito, huwag ka magpapadistract. Continue what you're doing. What is additional message about naman tayo sa love life? There's something that sabi naman that you are being protected. Now, protektado kayo. Now, divine guidance nga, diba? Guided kayo ng ating gabay. Now, ang inyong relasyon ay ginagabayan, pinoproteksyonan. There's a Six of Pentacles. There's something giving, receiving something by the universe. Balance kayong dalawa ng person mo. Now, there's a give and take. That's good. And there's a Death card. Some of you guys now, may mga bagay na binago kayo. Now, there's something ending and a new beginning. Now, ang laking pagbabago ng inyong relasyon, ang inyong buhay, pagsasama, pamilya. There's a Queen of Swords, something, clear the boundaries. Now, linisin nyo, alisin nyo yung mga bagay na magbibigay balakid sa inyong pagsasama. And of course, guys, there's a King of Wands, something ambition. Na unti-unti mo na makikita, no? Yung, kumbaga, changes, development. No? Look at the bigger picture. Or sinasabi na 5 years, 10 years from now, asa na kayo sa situation nyo. No? Kumbaga, magkakaroon na ng changes, development ang inyong pagsasama at ang inyong buhay. Uunlad na kayo. Aasenso na kayo. And there's a Nine of Cups with a future fulfillment. Matutupad din yung mga pangarap nyo. So, let's see. Alamin naman natin yung sa kalusugan nyo. Sa kalusugan nyo naman, guys, so there's something that is of the breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka. No? Giginahawat, gagaang ng yung pakiramdam. Magkakaroon ka na ng kaligayahan na nag-uumapaw. And this is something that at may magandang balita rin sa'yo. No? Na magdadala sa'yo na mabilisang asenso. At mabilisang tagumpay. Na magiging maganda na ng pakiramdam mo at kumaga yung puso mo ay punong-puno ng pagmamahal. And there's a Ten of Swords, no more sabotage, no? Naputol mo na kung sino yung sumasabotay. Kilala mo na eh. Diba? Magpapaligoy-ligoy ka pa ba? No, ayaw pa ba pumasok sa landasin mo yan? Diba? Nasa paligid mo lang eh. Alam mo na eh. Diba? Hindi niya na magawa ulit yon. Dahil nag-set ka na ng boundaries and this is something the King of Pentacles. Secure ka na. So let's see. What is additional messages tayo in all areas of your life? And there's an Ace of Pentacles. This is something a big opportunity coming in for you. This is something a big money. And there's a Seven of Cups. There is a lot of opportunities coming in for you. And especially there's a Nine of Pentacles blossoming. There is a potential for abundance. Talagang may kakayanan ka para maging maunlad. Nga lang, nakikita mo yan, there's a lot of raven na nagsisilbing parang mga uwak o aswang na aagaw at hakadlang sa iyong asenso. And there's a Hermit card, spiritual battle. Some of you guys know, meron pang labanan about sa spiritual. And there's a magician. Mananaig pa rin, no? Ang Panginoon at ating mga gabay. No, hindi niya kaya itong tutulan at hindi niya kayang hadlangan. And there's something, the Six of Cups. No? There's a High Priestess. Ang pinaka purot dulo dito, ang kamag-anak o kaibigan mo, ang mismong kalaban mo. So guys, this is a random gabay for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos of the request. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So guys, maraming salamat. If you want to watch this extended random gabay, ililink natin dyan sa description box, no? Isasend natin yung link dyan para malaman nyo ang kasunod dito at doon napapaloob lahat ng bagay na dapat mong malaman. Maraming salamat po. I see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!